everybody. It's Crystal with CrystalsDiversiCreations. So I want to share one of my Christmas gifts with you. I got the Ninja Blast Max, and I'm getting ready to take it outside of my car and use it, but I wanted to show it to you first. So here's the Ninja Blast Max, and it's actually cord free so that you can use it on the go. You can use it in your car, at work, or wherever. And what's really nice about it is you can see here it has the option to blend, crush, or make a smoothie. Also, it is 22 ounces, so this is the extra large. They do have another version that is a little bit smaller, and it doesn't separate from the base. I like the fact that this can separate from the base, and then you're just going to take it and you can go, and you'll only be carrying this portion here. This stays behind, and so I like that. The one at Target that just has one button, so you don't have the options. Everything is just done at the same speed. It's equally nice, but it just doesn't have some of the other features. This does come in a bunch of assorted colors, which is really nice if you like any of those colors. And again, the primary difference is that this one separates and it is larger, and you have the additional features in the blend, crush, and smoothie. And just the reviews have said that this actually does crush ice rather well. So I'm going to go get this rinsed out and go ahead and fill it up with what I want to put in it. And I'm going to meet you at my car because I got to run out, and I want to run out with a smoothie. So to twist it, you just literally do like that. And now this is ready to go with your drink in it, and you don't have to worry about that. And then also when you're washing it, you can leave this off to the side safe, and you just have this to deal with. When it's ready to go back, it's simply just twist it, and there you have it. So this shows you how the food should be layered when going into the blender for your smoothie. Okay, so we have the blender ready, and what we're going to do is we're going to push the power on, and you can see it's lit up, or can you? It's lit up, and then we're going to push smoothie. So as you can see, it's going ahead and it's pulsing, and it's going to keep pulsing. Okay, so I guess it's done now, and it seems to be nice and loose. So I'm going to let you look in it. So you can see it's nice and loose. And now I'm going to take the base. Okay, so just to take the base off, you just do like that. And now you just enjoy. So this smoothie had orange juice, flaxseed, chia seeds, a little bit of protein powder, mixed berries and bananas, and vanilla Greek yogurt. And it's tasty. So hope you all found this video helpful. Thanks as always for watching Crystal's Diversic Creations. And until next time, take care.